baby, can I say, oh, wow. It's hard to say goodbye when I'm leaving here. Let me inside.
Just gonna be kind of showing you guys what I use for my keto breakfast. I'm using these white sliced mushrooms and then a yellow squash. I'm gonna chop those up and then I'm gonna put them in with my egg. I'll show you guys the rest. So I forgot to mention this because I already made my coffee, but I added a little bit of unsweetened almond milk and then a little bit of this Jordan skinny syrup and chocolate caramel truffle because they have really low carbs. Nothing else for the coffee, and then I have half a cup of yellow squash and half a cup of mushrooms. Okay. I'm about to cook the squash right now, just because it takes a little longer to cook. Also, I'm just going to be adding 2 eggs to the squash mushrooms, and that's pretty much gonna be. So I also kind of figured that just the mushroom, squash, and the egg wouldn't fill me up, so I'm gonna eat half of one of these Eckrich jalapeno and cheddar smoked sausage, and half of this is gonna be 2 grams of carbs, which is kind of a lot, but I mean I have 21 carbs for the rest of the day, and I'm not going to really go into, you know, I'm not gonna eat that many carbs for the rest of the day probably. Alright guys, for my little egg, I'm just gonna add 1 tablespoon of sour cream and a little bit of hot sauce, and that's gonna be it. So for my dinner, I'm just gonna prepare it ahead of time. I'm gonna be having 2 cups of this garden salad, which actually, yeah, 2 cups. I'll do 2 cups. It's gonna be 1 gram for 2 cups. This cucumber, which I'm only gonna be having like a small piece, is going to be 0 grams, and then I'm going to be having a small piece of this Hillshire Farm summer sausage. Alright guys, so for my lunch and snack, well, I'm saying that, but it's really just going to be like my lunch at work, but it's not really a lunch. I'm going to be using this La Terra Fina spinach dip, smoked honey turkey breast, and then a little bit more cucumber, and I'm gonna make little sandwiches I'm gonna show you guys, and that leaves my total carbs for the entire day at 12. I mean, I have 9 remaining if I want an extra snack or something, and then I'll show you guys that too. Here's the final product. They don't look the best, but they're gonna be really good, and they're gonna keep me full. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Let me inside, them 9 to 5. Just know I'm coming home for